Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. Certainly. In this tutorial, we'll cover Chapter 5 of the Appium 2 Java client, focusing on different locators. This part will dive into various locator strategies used to find elements in mobile applications. We'll explore the most common locators available in Appium, along with code examples. Overview of locators in Appium. In Appium, locators are used to identify elements within the application under test. The effectiveness of your tests can often depend on how well you can locate these elements. Appium provides several strategies for locating elements, which include 1. ID, 2. Accessibility ID, 3. XPath, 4. CSS selector, 5. Class name, 6. Name, 7. Image, 8. Android UI automator. ###1 ID. The simplest and most common locator is the ID. This is often the preferred method when the element has a unique identifier. Code example **. Java. Mobile element equals driver.find element, Appium by.id, com example ID /button _ ID. Element.click. ###2. Accessibility ID. Accessibility ID is used for elements that have an accessibility label. This is particularly useful for automation on Android and iOS. Code example **. Java. Mobile element equals driver.find element, Appium by.accessibility ID, button _ accessibility. Element.click. ###3. XPath. XPath is a powerful and flexible way to locate elements, especially if the structure of the UI is complex. However, it can be slower compared to other locators. Code example *. Java. Mobile element equals driver.find element, Appium by.spath, / android.widget.button at text equals submit. Element.click. ###4. CSS selector. CSS selectors are primarily used for web applications. They allow for a wide range of selection strategies. Code example *. Java. Mobile element equals driver.find element, Appium by.css selector, button.submit. Element.click. ###5. Class name. This locator is used to find elements by their class name. It's commonly used in Android applications. Code example *. Java. Mobile element equals driver.find element, Appium by.class name, android.widget.button. Element.click. ###6. Name. The name locator is often used for elements that have a name attribute set. This is more common in web applications. Code example *. Java. Mobile element equals driver.find element, Appium by.name, submit button. Element.click. ###7. Image. You can also locate elements based on images. This is particularly useful for image-based buttons. Code example *. Java. Mobile element equals driver.find element, Appium by.image, path /to /image.png. Element.click. ###8. Android UI automator. This locator is specific to Android and allows you to use Android's UI automator framework to locate elements. Code example *. Java. Mobile element equals driver.find element, Appium by .android UI automator, new UI selector, .text, /submit / element.click. ## best practices for locators. Use unique identifiers *. Always try to use locators that point to a unique element. This reduces ambiguity and speeds up tests. Avoid xpath when possible *. While xpath is powerful, it can be slower and less reliable. Use it as a last resort. Consider visibility *. Ensure that the elements you are targeting are visible and interactable. Maintainability *. Choose locators that are less likely to change with UI updates to minimize maintenance work. ### Conclusion. In this tutorial, we explored various locator strategies in Appium 2 with Java Client. Each locator has its own strengths and weaknesses, and the best choice often depends on the specific use case and structure of the application you are testing. By understanding these different locators, you can create more robust and maintainable automated tests for mobile applications. Feel free to ask if you have any questions or need further clarification on specific locators.